one day, Nvidia lost hundreds of billions. OpenAI is in shock, and a mysterious AI model from China is shaking the entire industry to its core. And the craziest part, it's free! Today, we're diving into DeepSeek R1, the AI model that's putting big tech in panic mode. How did it come out of nowhere? And why is OpenAI so scared? Let's break it down. DeepSeek R1 is an open source AI model developed by a Chinese investment firm. Unlike OpenAI, which burns billions to train its models, DeepSeek R1 was built on a budget of just $5.5 million. And yet, it competes head-to-head with GPT-4, Claude Sonnet, and Gemini, scoring higher than them in key benchmarks. But here's where things get crazy. This isn't even the main focus of the company that built it. Imagine dropping a side project that threatens the biggest AI companies on the planet. So why is everyone freaking out? Because DeepSeek R1 challenges everything. OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic rely on massive cloud infrastructure and high-end GPUs to run their AI models. That's how they make money. But DeepSeek R1 can run locally. And even crazier, it can run on consumer hardware. Even something as small as a Raspberry Pi with the right optimizations. If AI can be this powerful without expensive cloud servers, why would anyone pay for OpenAI's ChatGPT+? Why would companies spend millions on cloud AI solutions? And now, OpenAI is accusing DeepSeek of stealing their tech. The claim? DeepSeek allegedly trained on OpenAI's API outputs using a method called distillation, which is ironic because OpenAI itself trained its models on vast amounts of internet data, including content they didn't exactly get permission for. So is DeepSeek just playing by OpenAI's own rules? Or is this a major ethical breach? Right now, there's no solid proof, but if OpenAI finds evidence, this could become one of the biggest scandals in AI history. Now, here's the real game changer. DeepSeek doesn't rely on NVIDIA's CUDA technology. Instead, it's optimized at the core level, using parallel thread execution PTX, which lets it run efficiently even on cheaper hardware. That's a nightmare for NVIDIA, whose entire business depends on selling high-end AI chips. And it's bad news for companies betting on cloud-based AI services. You don't need a supercomputer to run AI anymore. DeepSeek proves that even consumer-grade GPUs can handle AI models at impressive speeds. I tested it on a Raspberry Pi, and while it's slow, with a decent GPU, it flies. Want to try it yourself? Stick around because it'll show you how to install and run DeepSeek for free at home. So what's the end game here? Will OpenAI strike back with an even more powerful model? Will big tech try to shut down open source AI? Or are we witnessing the start of an AI revolution, where anyone can run advanced AI without relying on billion-dollar corporations? What do you think? Is DeepSeek R1 a threat to OpenAI? Or is it the future of AI? Drop a comment below. And if you want me to test DeepSeek on different hardware, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because trust me, the AI wars are just getting started. See you in the next one.